Here is the video to explain you the concept of variables in Python. Variables, it is the named location which is used to store data in memory. You just imagine variables as the container that holds data which can be changed later. Have you heard the terms type inference? This term refers to automatic deduction of data type of an expression in an programming language. It is also called as type inferred language or simply inferred language. Crystal, Go, Haskell, and of course Python is also type inferred language. In other programming languages, we need to specify the data type of a variable before using it. You can see in the example, the value BSc is assigned to the variable degree. Since BSc is of string data type, it is declared earlier as string degree. Since Python is type inferred language, it's not essential to explicitly define the variable type. Python is smart enough to detect the variable type. In the earlier video, we have seen that identifier is the user-defined name given to a variable, class, and then functions. Certain rules ought to be followed while naming this variable. Variable names consist of uppercase, lowercase, digit, and underscore. So these are some of the examples of the variable name. It can be fully of small letters, fully of capital letters, mixture of small and capital letters, including numbers. All this naming form is accepted, but it is not recommended because the variable name that we give should be descriptive and readable. Here is another example. Here the variable name is user register number, which is more descriptive and readable. But leaving a space in between the words is not accepted. It is treated as three different words: user, register, and then number, which is in short here. To resolve this, you can remove the space. Though the parser recognizes it as a single word, as a programmer it might be confusing. The best way to combine these words is camel case, snake case, Pascal case, and kebab case. These are commonly used strategies in all the programming languages. Camel case, it capitalizes all the words except the first word and removes the spaces in between the words. So this form of naming the variable is called camel case. Pascal case, it capitalizes all the words including the first word. Here also it removes the spaces. You can see user, register, number. In all the words, first letter is capitalized here. Next is snake case. It combines all the words using an underscore. Spaces are removed and it is replaced with underscore here. And the letters may be fully in uppercase or fully in small case. So this way of naming the variable is called snake case. So one more case is there, which is kebab case. So there, instead of underscore, hyphen will be used. Since hyphen is not accepted in naming the variables, kebab case cannot be followed in Python. While naming the variable, keep it in mind, the variable name can follow either camel case, Pascal case, or snake case. As it is known that Python is an type inferred language and no need to declare a variable, straight away you can assign the value to the variable. The syntax is variable name equal to value. Now in coding window, we are going to see how to declare and assign a value to the variable in Python, how to change the value of a variable, and how to assign same value to multiple variables and assigning multiple value to multiple variables at once. Now we'll move on to PyCharm. Now let us see how to work with variables in PyCharm. First, assigning a value to the variable. I want to assign the weight of a person. Variable name I am giving it as weight equal to the value is 25. To display the weight, in print function, you give the variable name, which is weight here. See in the bottom you can see the result, that is weight of a person, which is 25. Next is changing the value of a variable. The present weight of a person may be 25. After 1 or 2 months, the weight may be increased. In that case, again you can reassign the value to the same variable, weight equal to 29. You can see the new weight is 29. Suppose you are assigning a different value to the same variable, the recently assigned value will be taken. The previous value will be overwritten by the new value. Next is assigning same value to multiple variable. So when you give like this, the same value 5 will be assigned to all the variables A, B and C. And the next one is assigning multiple value to multiple variables. Suppose I want to assign the person's name, age and weight means instead of assigning in different lines, I can give all the thing in the same line. Now I want to assign the person's name, age and weight. So first variable name is name, second variable name is age and third variable name is weight. You separate the variable names with comma and then after equal to symbol you can give the values respectively. First it is name. I'm giving it as Abhishek. So since it is string, enclosed within double quotes, again comma, age is 34, comma and weight is 45.5. Let us print it. Print name, print age, print weight. Name, age and weight is printed here. So to assign multiple value to multiple variables at once, you can separate the variable names with comma and after equal to you can assign the values respectively in the same order of how you have given the variable name.